Very good morning, students. In our last class, we had discussed about network. What is network? You know that collection of computer connected in wire or wireless means it is network. What is the types of network is there? LAN, WAN, and MAN. Okay, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. These are the main types of networks. These networks are used to connect the computers. Okay, we already know that. Okay, and another one also we are having some of the search engines. What are the search engines? You know that Google Chrome. In the down I showed you know Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. These are all the what's that search engines. Okay, in this connected way we are going to discuss about more about networks. Okay, next one we are going to connect the difference between static and dynamic websites. Okay, static type website means I already told to you some of the paragraphs, some of the instructions they give means that is called static websites. Dynamic website means we want to log in means we are using the some of the admin usernames and passwords. Okay, our school website I showed to you, this is the static websites. Okay, some of the informations regarding our school show that. Okay, this is the static websites. Here we need not to give the any other passwords, but dynamic websites, this is the Gmail websites. Okay, in our school website varavikas@gmail.com, we want to log in the Gmail address means we give the passwords, we should give the password. This is the dynamic websites. Okay, websites having two types, static and dynamics. We already clear that static is no need password, dynamic is the need password. Next one, how to log in the system. We are going to discuss the login system. Okay, just you switch on that system means we are getting the usernames, admin name password will ask the computer. If you are giving means it is going to login page. Next we are going to discuss the how to shut down the system. Okay, in the down button we are having three types. One sleep is sleep and shut down, and the next one restart. What is the difference between sleep and shut down? Sleep means you no need for work in the sometimes means we can click the sleep. Okay, shutdown means switch off the computer. Restart means we want to start again the computer means restart. Okay, if you are giving the shutdown means the windows shows like here. Okay, here shutdown. Okay, the system going to shut down. Okay, okay. The shutdown system, if you are want to close all the tabs, then you can do the shutdowns. Next we are going to discuss the how to making a folders. Okay, a folder means collection of combined information we can easily store in one part. Okay, new folders. Okay, right click the mouse and new click the folders. Okay, now the new folder is created, you know. Now we are how to create in the inside of the colon. Example, C colon D colon is there, you know. How can you create the inside of the colons? Okay, folder inside of the folders also. Okay, now I open my folders Krishna. Okay, in this folder I create a new one folders. Right click, next one new folders. Okay, now we are getting new folder. Now give your name, any name. Now I give the class 5, class 5 I will give folder creator. So you see that second one class 4. Okay, sorry, class 4 I create the folder name. Now we are going to discuss rename the folder also. Okay, if you want to make the new name, now we give the 4 class VVBS, 4th class VVBS. In the earlier I give class 4, now I give the 4th class VVBS. In here also we can click and directly create the new folders. New folder in the top of the menu bar, we can click the new folder and new and folder. Now we create the VVPS, another one folder also I created. Okay, this is the second one of the way of the making one folders. Here also we can give the rename also, no problem. Okay, now we are going to discuss the recycle pin. If you are unfortunately we are delete some of the folder means we can search in the recycle pin. Now I delete the VVBS folder, it's not there in the list. Okay, next one, how can we short the list? Short the list means Sort the list means example alphabetic order, numbered order. We want to sort the list means right click the mouse, sort by is there, sort by. Now we are modify the list in the view. View also is there, image view, folder view, that like is more views is there, details view. Okay, now we click the small images, like the small images is changed. Now I click the large images, this is the large image. Okay, next one view is the, what are the views there, large icon, small icon is there. Next one sort by, types, file types, date of modified, we can change that. Okay, this like we can change all the icons and also files. Next one we are going to properties. Properties means it's give the files informations, what are the files name, how much size is there, where it is located, what is the file types, these are all information is there. If you want to share the files, we can share it. Okay, security purpose also we can give the password also in these folders. These are all the properties folders. Next one we are going to discuss the how recycle pin. Recycle means if you are delete the, already told deleted files are available in the recycle pin. Okay, now we open the recycle pin, start button. The VVPS we already deleted, where is the file? Yes, the last one VVPS, the file is we are found that. If you are click means we can easily access the file. No files we are saving the last time, so this time also we can't able to get any other files in this. These are all the recycle pins. Are you clear that? Okay, next one we are going to discuss the paint. What's it? Paint, you already know, aware of it. Paint we are going to discuss that. What is paint? It is one of the drawing area. Okay, the first one, the menu bar is there, the toolbar is there, the all the tools are available in the top of the screen. You see that I showed you, this is the symbols. Okay, what are the symbols? We can easily draw that. Now using the mathematical symbols. Okay, square, circle, oval, triangle, any other symbol you want means you can easily draw that using that. Okay, next one pencil is there, that pencil tool is there, this one is the pencil. If you want to draw something means you are using pencil. Next one bucket, paint bucket. If you are click the paint bucket, choose the color, easily fill the paints. Okay, any other color we want means we can easily click that. Next one text bar. If you want to write something in the your paint means you can use the text bar. Okay, next one eraser. If you want to erase something in your painting means if you can use the erasers. Okay, the eraser rub the unwanted things, erase the unwanted things. Okay, next one we are going to sizes. Okay, what is the size? The pencil sizes. Not only the pencil, it is give the paint sizes also. Paint is some other drawings we are making the circles, we can making the squares. In square is that circle, that squares outlines size also we can easily change that. Example, we are making the lines, now it's changed. You realize that, or you see that? Just you watch. Now we are creating the normal line. Okay, now we can go into the size, we can change. It's a come to in the big size. Okay, it is the use of size changes in the paint. Okay, now it's changed, you see that? Just you watch. Are you got it? These are all the size change, line size changer. Okay, are you clear that? Next one, edit color. If you can't able to select the correct color means you can choose the edit color, easily making the lines and using the fill the paint bucket also. This is the use of edit color. Here more color is available, whichever color you want means you can easily take that. Okay, this is the use of edit colors. Okay, are you clear that? Next we are going to see that how can we use the tools of paints. You already know that, Okay, next tools. First one, selection tool. Okay, if you want to select full object means selection tool. Rotate size, if you want to change the size means we can easily change that. Next one, paste from pictures. If you want to paste some other pictures means you can use the paste from, easily select the pictures and we can paste in the screen, pasted. Control Z means undo. If you give the control Z means the older one will come in the screen. Okay, are you clear that? Okay, If you have any doubt in this means, you can easily call me, or if I give the homework to you, please send me WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.